Day 1. 7 o'clock, have breakfast. 9 o'clock, visit Nong Pakshi Observatory, bird watching. 12 o'clock, lunch at the visitor center and an afternoon coffee break in the same area. 13:30 o'clock, walk the nature, study Route 1 or Route 7. 15:30 o'clock, free time. 19 o'clock, watching animals go out for food at night around 7 p.m. or 8 p.m. Reservation. 20:30 o'clock, camping to relax at your leisure in the park in the form of a resort or a tent. Day 2. 7 o'clock, visit Saison Reservoir. 8 o'clock, have breakfast. 9:30 o'clock, visit Hell Nalok Waterfall, Pha Deo Dai Viewpoint, and Pha Tom Chai Viewpoint. 12 o'clock, return safely.
Bird watching. Recommended times for bird watching are morning and evening, when many birds forage for food. Khao Yai National Park is an excellent bird watching venue which had been listed as an important bird area (IBA), as it is home to over 282 bird species, both resident and migratory birds, which are easy to see include the Siamese fireback, blue-winged pitta, coral bill-ground, cuckoo, and the 4 species of hornbill: the great hornbill, the oriental pine hornbill, the wilted hornbill, and Asin-bound hornbill. When it is quiet, a variety of birds can be found all over the national park, especially at tourist attractions.
Camping. One activity which should not be missed at Khao Yai in the cool season is camping in nature, surrounded by forests and streams. It is recommended for people feeling the urban jungle or getting quality time with their family or friends. At nighttime, it is very dark as there is no light pollution, and a multitude of stars are visible all over the sky. Khao Yai National Park currently has one open campsite, Lam Ta Khong Campground. This is a large open piece of grassland next to the river, which is home to a population of otter. It is surrounded by trees, which are a habitat for monkeys and gibbons. Even deer can be observed foraging. Despite being this close to nature, the campground has very modern facilities.
And next activity, trekking nature trails. One unmissable activity at Khao Yai National Park is trekking the short nature trails, of which there are 7 to choose from. Nature trails in Khao Yai National Park comprise 7 short trails ranging from 1.2 to 8 km and walk times ranging from 45 minutes to 6 hours with no overnight stay on routes. Most of the trails retain their natural aspect and run through major forests. They are signed along the way to prevent you from leaving the trail. Newborn jungle trekkers and students of nature can walk these trails by themselves. And the last activity, night safari. So the first of all, you should make a reservation and pay the service charge at the visitor center and receive a receipt for the night safari before 6 p.m. on the safari day. And next, please wait at the visitor center or organize pickup from the campground or the lodge 15 minutes before the appointed times. So, many animals are nocturnal in their foraging habits, such as sambar deer, Marian occupied, large Indian civettes, Asian palm civettes, white elephant, on, and nightjars. The night safari is another fascinating activity giving the visitor the opportunity to observe wildlife at night. If you wish to join the night safari, you can inquire and reserve a time slot at Khao Yai Visitor Center, and the service takes before 6 p.m. It is forbidden to take your car to see animals at night for your own safety and for the orderly management of the national park. So, National Park Ranger organized a high-bed pickup truck to see animals without guide and high-power flashlight to see the animals, while also giving knowledge along a route specified by KY National Park. The journey is 10 kilometers and takes about 1 hour with 2 time slots per day, which are 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. and 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And for the location, it is located at Lamtakong Campground. And please follow the rules strictly and do your cooking in designated zones. Nature is not a place to visit, just sit at home. Thank you. Goodbye.